Hey y'all, what's happening? I'm Chris and this is Pop Square. Today we're unboxing the NV6055E all-in-one printer from HP. Let's check it out. I was in the market for a new printer and have always been a fan of HP. I thought I'd check into one of their latest compact home printers, the NV6055E. Just as a heads up, if you order this from Amazon, it's likely to not arrive in a larger box. So if they drop it on your doorstep, it'll be pretty obvious what's inside. Speaking of inside, let's get going. First up, we have a small stack of paperwork. A few starter ink cartridges, HP 67 Tricolor and HP 67 Black, a standard power cable, and some more paperwork. Beneath that, we have the printer itself, snugly packed in styrofoam. You can tell this is a pretty compact printer, including a standard paper tray on the bottom and a multifunction copier scanner on top. This printer also connects via USB, and of course the cable is not included. But if you prefer to go wireless like I do, it can also connect over Wi-Fi. Inside, the layout looks very similar to most HP printers. The paper tray has an arm that will swing out as needed to hold printed sheets of paper, and beneath that, we have a storage tray to hold around 100 sheets of paper. And that's the new NV6055E all-in-one printer from HP. That's all for today. Thanks for checking out this video. Thank you again for watching and mahalo for your support. Until next time, aloha friends!